In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Vanishing Point tool in Photoshop to create perfect perspective edits, whether you're placing graphics on walls, adding designs to floors, or cloning objects realistically in 3D space. This is one of Photoshop's most powerful but underrated tools, and once you understand it, your edits will instantly look more professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Photoshop. This should be an image with some kind of visible perspective like a wall, road, building, or any flat surface that recedes into the distance. Once your image is ready, go up to the top menu, click on Filter, and then select Vanishing Point. This will open a new workspace where all the magic happens. Now, by default, you'll have the Create Plane tool selected. If not, just select it from the toolbar on the left. What you want to do here is define the perspective of your surface. Start by clicking on the four corners of the surface where you want to apply your edit. For example, if it's a wall, click each corner of that wall. As you click, Photoshop will generate a grid. Once your grid appears, you need to adjust it so it perfectly matches the perspective of your surface. Drag the corner points carefully until the grid lines align naturally with the angles in your image. If the grid turns red, it means the perspective is off, so keep adjusting until it turns blue. Blue means your perspective is accurate and ready to use. This step is very important because everything you add will follow this grid. Now comes the fun part. If you want to place an image into that perspective, first open the image you want to use in a separate tab. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Go back to the Vanishing Point window and press Ctrl+V to paste. You'll see the image appear, and when you drag it onto your grid, it will automatically snap into perspective. Resize and position it as needed, and it will perfectly match the surface. You can also use the Clone Stamp tool inside the Vanishing Point window. Select it from the left toolbar, then Alt-click to sample an area and start painting. The cloning will automatically follow the perspective grid, which is incredibly useful for extending textures or removing objects in a realistic way. Once you're happy with your changes, simply click OK, and Photoshop will apply everything back onto your main image. Just like that, you've created a perspective-perfect edit using Vanishing Point. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.